Man! Glad I decided to ride today instead of drive. Traffic sucks. Traffic sucks. It really, really sucks. Yes, it sucks. That was a cop. Anyways, guys, what's going on? The Red One here, and we're back. We're back today with another moto vlog. But this one here is short, y'all, okay? This one here is not going to take as much time as I normally do. It probably will, but whatever. Man, if you guys didn't know, it actually got down to freezing temperatures last night here in California. Big shout out to the Adventures of Scott for being snowed in. He can't even get to work today because it's snowing where he's at. Freaking crazy, y'all. I almost drove today because it's like 40, like right at 40. Yeah, I know you East Coasterners and you Northeasterners. Yeah, 40's not cold. It's like t-shirt and flip-flop weather. I get that. But down here in Southern California, man, people are like going to the emergency room. People are dying out here, man. It's almost freezing temperatures out here, son. Gotta be careful. But anyways, hey, slow the hell down there, Mr. Ooh-wee. Ooh. Dude, don't fucking do that shit, you stupid bitch. Trying to kill somebody? The guy was riding like a jackass, though. Anyways, before I almost saw this dude get killed. Oh, so this is a quick update to the Red One Radio video submissions and any other thing that I can think about on this ride or commute to work. My buddy Tim Kreitz out there at West Tejas, aka Texas, had brought up a very, very valid point, something I didn't think of. And it's about music submissions with the videos that you guys are sending in to be able to get a spot on Red One Radio. What he had mentioned was, how come I didn't include the YouTube music library or the creator studio library or whatever? You know what, Tim Kreitz? You are absolutely right. So guys, an update is, if you want to use music for the video submission, YouTube Creator Studio, whatever the hell it's called, music library is good to go. Just make sure you let me know the title of the song and that it came from the YouTube studio or whatever. Because trust me, guys, I'm going to do my homework and I'm going to actually go research the songs to make sure they're legit, because I will play them during the show and I don't want any copyrights to come down on me. I'm not trying to get strikes, man. Like, it's not gonna happen. That's why I said, if you're gonna use music, make sure you put a link to that song or where you got it from, so that way I know that I'm good to go. So we got no copyright sounds as a source, and we got the YouTube Creators Music Library, whatever the heck it's called. We got that as a second source now. So you guys have two sources of music. Use whatever you want. Just make sure you link the song and the email that you send to me. Now, I appreciate the submissions that we've received so far. You guys are awesome. I will make sure you guys get on the show for sure. And also, man, like I said, if you guys know any other vloggers that would love to, you know, just would like a little help, man, tell them to submit their stuff to me. Send them the link so that way we can get more creators on this, so that way we can have a good time doing season 2. Because at the end of the day, guys, it's only as strong as you make it. Lastly, guys, the thing that I wanted to touch on with the submissions, the video submissions, the 30-second intro. When I was talking about an intro, I don't necessarily mean an intro to me. I don't need you to introduce yourself to me. That was kind of what the email was for. Hey, I'm this guy, I ride this, I live in this area. That's your introduction to me. The video introduction is going to be for the viewers that have never seen and or heard of you and your channel. That's what the video submission's for. Don't make the video submissions tailored to me. Make them tailored to people that don't know who you are. This is your 30 seconds to impress them or to be able to pull them over to your channel. That's what this is for. So, you know how most channels make a trailer video, right? Or a channel trailer. So that way when people are having to click on their YouTube channel and they're at their home page, they see exactly what the channel is about, etc., etc. That's what I mean by an introductory video, things of that nature. And you're just gonna cross the double yellow because you just don't care. Because so yes, guys, YouTube studio music creator stuff and things is on the table as far as another trusted music source. Along with, make sure that the intro is not directed towards me, but to your possible viewers and future subscribers, guys. That's what this video is about. With that being said, guys, if you have any questions, please go ahead and you can DM me on IG, or you can hit me up on my email address. All that information will be in that doobly-doo down below. I really hope I'm recording. I really do. Okay, I am. That's good. You don't know how many times I've shot videos on the way to work and wasn't recording. Yeah, it happens. Hey, what's up? Looking real back. Anyways, love you guys. Make sure you get them submissions in, man. Season 2 is right around the corner. Season 2 is right around the corner. With that being said, guys, I'm Red One, and as always, ride safe and all that other shit.